Oh, I'm rambling. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to do a really quick unboxing. I had no intentions of filming a video today for you guys, but we just got in and I saw that my Allure Beauty Box came in the mail. As you can see, I didn't even open it yet. I really wanted to open it because I was so excited about what's in it. So I figured I would just film it for you guys and I can show you everything. I don't normally subscribe for it, but I saw that Nikki Tutorials was doing her collaboration with December's box, and I really wanted to try a couple of products that came in this. So I thought for $10 your first month, it was a really good deal, and if I didn't like it, I can always cancel it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. The box is really nice and sturdy. So when you open it, and you usually have a palette. I'm sorry, not a pamphlet. And inside, why is there not a Nikki Tutorials? Oh. So they sent me the wrong box. When I placed the order, I said I was going to be getting the December box. They sent me the November's box. So I'm already disappointed. Like, already so disappointed. I purposely wanted to sign up for the December box because if you're familiar with the beauty box, Nikki Tutorials was doing her little collaboration where you were getting a Juvia's Place palette, like a little mini. You were also getting her little tripod with her original Ofra highlighters. You were supposed to be getting, I believe, an eyeliner from LA Splash. I think you were also supposed to get a skincare, like 1 or 2 skincare products and a liquid lipstick from NYX. So I really wanted to try that out and test out the products before investing in additional Ofra products, since I see their highlighters everywhere, but I really just wanted to try it before purchasing it. So this has nothing that I was expecting. This is what the box looks like. So we're just gonna get right in. I'm just gonna show you the products that they sent me. And based off of the pamphlet, it looks like this box has a ton of sheet masks. And if you know I do like face masks, but it's just not something I was looking forward to getting. It's just a little disappointing. So the first product is a mini version of the Glam Glow. I actually do like this product a lot. When I break out, I usually use it as a spot treatment before I go to bed. The next product is a rose lip mask. And this is from, I don't even know how to pronounce that. So that's that. The other product is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. It's hydrating and soothing. So that's what that looks like. There's also a Patchology Eye Patch Gels. That's that one. There is a Pearl Brightening Sheet Mask also. And there is an Exfoliating Foot Mask Socks from Starskin. This is Magic Hour. So that's what that looks like. It's for your feet. And then there is a Versace Dylan Blue perfume. I'm not really into perfumes, but this is what that bottle looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's kind of whatever. I mean, it doesn't really smell great, but it doesn't smell terrible. So that's that. And the last product, I'm actually really excited to try this. I've seen this at Sephora right before you get to the checkout. It's the Invisible Bauble. They are 3 little hair rings. Usually when I go out and we eat anywhere, I don't like having my hair down. So I usually always have a scrunchie or a clip of any sort. I don't even know where my clip went. Usually I have like a clip or something just to tie my hair up. But anytime I have a scrunchie and I keep my hair out of my face, it always leaves a crease. So this is supposed to prevent that from happening. So I'm actually really excited trying this out. And with this box, even though it's not what I was looking for, you're getting a decent amount of products. I know normally they're $15. This month was $10 since it was, if you sign up, the first month is $10 and going forward is $15. So for $10, this was a really good deal. You're getting one lip mask and one eye mask, and then you're getting two face masks and a foot exfoliating mask, socks type of deal. And then you're getting the bobble and you're getting all this stuff. So for $10, I'm not really gonna complain. I did really look forward to getting the Nikki products and, well, the Nikki box. So yeah, I mean, I guess I don't really have anything much to say. I am going to be making use of all these products. If you know me, you know how much I love face masks. So that's it for the box. Yeah, so I guess that's it. I will see you in my next video.